How to create a MySpace account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log in or sign in to your MySpace account. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for myspace.com. So first, click on this first link that appears, which is the official website of myspace.com. So if you haven't already created your account, just tap on this sign up button over here and it will give you the three different options. So I'll just select email. You can also log in, sign up with your Twitter or Facebook account as well. So from over here, all you have to do is enter your login credentials just like this. So let me just quickly fill it up. So once you do all of this, just click on this captcha button over here and just click on acknowledge privacy option and click on create account and make sure your zip code is valid. So once you enter your correct zip code, just click on this and just describe yourself just like this, and it will take you to home page and you'll be successfully start to log into your application and use your application just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.